Hi, sweet friends. Today, I'll show super simple hair tricks for every little girl. Soft, easy, and happy. First, let's get ready. We have a wide tooth comb, a soft brush, 2 hair ties, a cute clip, and a bow. That's it. Grown-up helper, please stay close. Trick 1, Tangle Tamer. Spritz a little water, hold the hair near the ends, brush from the tips. Up, 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 slow and gentle. No ouchies, you're doing great. Trick 2, Smooth Ponytail. Brush the hair back like a waterfall. Gather it soft. Wrap a hair tie once, wrap a hair tie twice, not too tight. Give it a tiny wiggle. All comfy? Yes. Trick 3, Side Clip Sparkle. Comb a little side part. Twist a small strand, clip it above the ear. Peekaboo, pretty face. Trick 4, Little Braid. Split a small piece into 3. Over the middle, over the middle, over the middle. Keep going, slow and steady. Tie the end with a tiny elastic. Ta-da! Trick 5, Bow Finish. Place a bow on the ponytail. Give it a gentle puff. Big smiles. Quick care tips. Use soft ties, no metal. Take breaks so hair can rest. At bath time, a little conditioner helps. Pat dry, don't rub. And remember, no hot tools for little ones. You look kind. You look brave. You look you. Hair is for having fun. Clap for your helper. Clap for you. We can look at happy pictures and videos from pexels.com. Free and friendly. Thanks for playing hair with me today. See you next time for more gentle steps and big smiles. Bye-bye.